Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today we will help you on how to configure CDN resource for your secure website HTTPS. First of all, you have to log into your client area. For that, click on the Customer Login option on our website. Enter email address as a username and password which you have set during the sign-up process and click on the Login button to log in the client area. Congratulations, you are logged in the client area. Click on the Services option, after then click on the My Services option. Here you can see all the services which you have purchased. Select the CDN service and click on the Active button. Scroll down the screen and click on the new CDN resources. In CDN resource type you have to select HTTP pull resources and click on the HTTP button under resource type. In CDN resource properties, first one is CDN hostname. Here you have to enter CDN hostname for your domain name. Please note that when you create a CDN with HTTPS, you just need to enter CDN hostname without any dot and the top-level domains such as .com, .net, .edu and more. For example, if your domain name is example.com, your CDN hostname will be CDN example. The second option is origins. Here you have to enter the domain name from where your data will be pulled. This will be your domain name on which you want to enable CDN service. Here we have entered example.com as an example. In SSL mode option, you have to select the option with SSL advanced from the drop-down list. In the Edge groups, tick on the box and click on the Create CDN resource. Once you click on the Create CDN resource will be created, and you will get a message on the screen that CDN resource was successfully created. Here our CDN service provider adds their domain name after the CDN hostname so that we can serve your contents over HTTPS. Click on the Details button to get CDN resource. In the DNS settings, this is your CDN resources. You can either use CDN hostname cdnexample.r.worldsel.net or CDN resources 745809487.r.cdn-host.com in your website code to pull the images or videos through the CDN service. Please be informed that for secure website or SSL CDN, you don't need to create any DNS records. You have to use either CDN hostname value or CDN resources value directly in your website code. Let's see the example on how to use CDN resource in the website code. If you want to pull the images or videos of your website through the CDN service, you have to replace the domain name with the CDN hostname or CDN resources in the website code. Here is an example. Suppose this is your actual image path. imgsrc equals https://example.com/images/image1.png. From where the images are loaded on your website and you want to pull it through CDN service. For that, you have to replace the domain name example.com with either CDN hostname cdnexample.r.worldsel.net or CDN resources 745809487.r.cdn-host.com. Once you replace it with the CDN hostname and CDN resources, it will look like imgsrc equals https://cdnexample.r.worldsel.net/images/image1.png, and imgsrc equals https://745809487.r.cdn-host.com/images/image1.png. Please note that, you can use any one CDN URL from the above in your website code to pull contents. If you don't know how to configure CDN service on your website, please don't worry about it. We have prepared a knowledge base article on how to integrate CDN service with general website. From this article you can easily configure it without the help of anyone. You can view it by clicking on the instruction link. If you have a CMS-based website such as Joomla, WordPress, you can click on the instruction link to view the steps and details. Thank you for watching.